Alright, BB is back. Been working past couple weekends. I ain't been able to dig, but out here at one of our favorite spots today. And one of my first signals today is a US buckle. At least it's a piece of one. I first pulled it out, wasn't sure. I saw that hook on the back. I wasn't sure if that's what it was, but got a new guy out here with us, and I was telling him, yeah, that looks like a puppy foot. That's what they call them on the back of buckles, or some people call it that. Anyway, I dug a couple more holes, and I decided to get it out and look at it again. I wiped it off, and it's got an S on it. So actually, I thought it might just be a piece of scrap, tin can or something. But it's definitely a buckle, US buckle, Civil War relic. I'd like to find a whole one, but I'm gonna keep looking. What a cool find today. Haven't found much else yet, but I'm gonna keep on digging. Hope y'all can see that, because I can't see what I'm doing. But anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe I can find another one. I think this is gonna be a buckle day. Where is it at? Right there? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Alright, getting a pretty good signal here. May do a live dig. You can see it, but I'm getting about a 70, 75. So I feel like I'm on a bullet. Should be right there. So I'm out there with AT Pro, of course, my detector of choice. The Mind Lab Safari speaker got wet years ago, and great detector, but I can't use it right now. I need to get it fixed. But anyway, this AT Pro does the job. It is waterproof. But let's see what we got here. Lay that down. Should be right there. I really can't see real good when I'm videoing, because the sun is so bright out here. So anyway, let's see. The sun's getting high. Let's see. Oh, I see something right there. Y'all saw me just roll it out. That, my friend, looks like a round ball. Can't even see my pin pointer. There it is. Round ball in the plug. I think that's what it is. Let's see. So I need to see my finger. Where's my finger at? There it is. Okay. So we can pop it out of there. Oh yeah. Big old fat round ball. Pretty. I'm glad I got that on live dig. Love these. Big old musket ball. Man, can you imagine carrying a pocket full of these around with you? Be a lot of weight. It's a drop round ball. Having a great day. I got me a US buckle. Piece of one anyway. It's got the S on it. And now I got me a round ball. Where's it at? Where's it at? Finger. There it is. All right, maybe you can see it, because I can't see what I'm doing. Anyway, thanks for watching. See if I can find a 3-ringer. Alright, just pulled me out a rivet of some sort. It's pretty old, pretty heavy. I think it's Civil War era. Not sure what would have been used on. But, nice and green. Gave me a bullet signal. So anyway, pretty cool find. Thought I'd do a quick video on it. Found it just after I found that round ball a minute ago. Anyway, appreciate it. We having a good day out here today. Out here with good friends. Just don't get no better than this when you hunt with friends. Thanks for watching. Alright, been digging a little while. Had a little dead spell, but this round ball I just found, musket ball. That thing was pinging. I just knew it was silver. Sure gave off a high tone. I'm going to have to check this hole again, make sure it's not a dang silver coin in there somewhere. But it's an awesome find. Hope y'all can see it. It's mighty bright out here. Round ball in the pot. Thanks for watching. Well, I got something here. Nice big chunk of lead. That's hard to see. Maybe I think it's a fired round ball. It's all misshapen. It's a pretty nice sized chunk of lead. That thing's big. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. But anyway, nice find. Civil War lead. I'll have to clean it up a little more. Maybe I can tell more about it. It's, either got hit by the plow or it hit something. Man, it's a big piece of lead. Whew. Hate to be hit by that. Anyway, I'm on a roll. Thanks for watching. Alright, BB here. Just found my first 3-ringer today. I don't know if y'all can see it. But I can't see nothing. Where's that? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it looks like it's fired or hit something. Or fired and the plow hit it. I don't know. But found several round balls, but that's my first 3-ringer today. It's an awesome find. See if we can find some more. Thanks for watching. Well, got me another round ball. It's the most round balls I've ever found in one day. A good round ball day. Yep. We're on it today, as always. On our favorite permission. Out here with Mississippi Treasure Hunter. Wish you was out here with us, KG. Check it out. Awesome find, awesome day. More to come. Thanks for watching. Alright, it's been a round ball kind of day. Never found so many round balls before. This place just keeps on giving. It's awesome. Still only got one 3-ringer, but maybe I'll get another one before it gets dark. We're pulling an all-dayer today. Pretty bullet. All right. That's right. He said, it takes me a year to get a round ball, and I can't stop finding them. That's awesome. All right, thanks for watching. All right, got me another round ball. There it is. Kind of iffy signal on this one, but man, there it is. Round ball in the hole. We're out of the hole. All right. Try to find some more. Awesome day. Later. All right, got another round ball. All right. I like finding them. I'm ready to find something different. Alright, see if we can find another 3-ringer. Well, here we go again. Another round ball. Nice big musket ball. And this AT Pro is tearing it up. I'm talking about. I think it's my day today. Still can't believe I found that half a buckle anyway earlier today. I went back and tried to find the rest of it, but nah, no chance. But anyway, whew, a lot of work, but it's worth it. AT Pro, Garrett Carrot, Predator Piranha Shovel. We knocking it out, knocking them down. Let's see if I can find another one before it gets dark. Thanks for watching. All right, getting late in the day. I just found a 3-ringer, but it's kind of smaller than the other 3-ringers I find usually. Kind of narrow. I don't know if it's a different type. Kind of shaped different even. Kind of. It's pointed on the end, but then it kind of gets fat in the middle and then gets small on the bottom. So I don't know. Kind of odd. Might be something different. But it don't appear to be fired or anything, or bent. But it does have 3 rings on it. So I don't know. Pretty cool. Pretty good day for old BB Southern Safari. Appreciate y'all watching. Getting wore out. We're gonna dig some more holes, because that's the way we roll. Thanks for watching. Alright, just got something different finally. I think it's a fire 3-ringer. I'm going to clean it off, see, but man, that sucker hits something hard. It's flattened out like a mushroom. I usually don't find them flattened out like this. Usually find them drop, but man, that sucker, that thing must have hit a horse or something. Man, that's awesome. I'll take that any day. All right, that's a cool find there. Man, look how that thing is flattened. About the size of a dang quarter, flattened out. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Man, flatter than a pancake. Awesome find. All right, starting to wind it down. That's a good find, but I ain't through yet. We still going. Let's dig another hole. Thanks for watching. Sun's going down. Just found me another round ball. Good way to finish off the day. All right, sun's setting. I think KK is about ready to call it. Appreciate y'all watching today. Special shout out to KK, Mississippi Treasure Hunter, for picking today's spot. Found my buckle today, or part of a buckle. Awesome find. I found a whole bunch of bullets. So appreciate you, KK. We'll do it again soon. Appreciate y'all watching and stay tuned. BB Southern Safari out. I'm on the way back to the truck. I just found another 3-ringer. KK's telling me to come on. He's ready to go. Alright. One last video. Will I find one more on the way to the truck? We'll see. Later. This is my roundup. Did pretty good today. I was hitting those round balls. Man, one after another. Found what, three 3-ringers, maybe 4 if this one's fired. This is a big old fired bullet right here. That was awesome. I don't know what this thing is, but I'm gonna clean all this up in a little while for this weekend. Got a bunch of modern bullets today. A lot of scrap lead. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Pieces of lead. I got a old crusty Lincoln. Some other stuff. And my best find today was this piece of a US buckle. First buckle I ever found. I found a box plate out here too. But this has got the little puppy feet on it still. Still got lead on the back. I tried to find the rest of it, but it just wasn't there. Tried hard. This is KK's finds. You got some kind of a, might be a razor handle. It's pretty cool.
And show them my shirt, Bruce. I'll give a shout out to Global Detecting. I won this shirt, so that was pretty cool. Thanks, guys. And we dig y'all's webpage, and you know, it's been a blast watching everybody's finds and stuff on y'all's page. So I appreciate the shirt. Thanks.
All right, we're about to call it a day. We're both wore out. But like I said, when I get all this cleaned up, I'll do another little video. Anyway, woohoo! That's awesome. Thanks for watching, y'all. Later. Well, I'm gonna do a little roundup. My finds from yesterday. Had a pretty good day. Found a lot of stuff. Found a lot of trash too, but I throw all that away. We always take our trash out. Never leave anything out there for somebody else to find, and plus the landowner appreciates you picking up the trash. But anyway, I'll start out with this right here. This is actually not metal, this is a rock. Had a little fossil in the middle of it. And I like fossils, so I picked it up. This little thing, little metal plate, it's probably nothing. This is the biggest pull tab I've ever seen, so I kept it. That's a big pull tab. Probably pretty old. This 3-ringer here is pretty big. It may be a 69. I think it hit something. This 3-ringer I think is a fired 69. It's pretty big and fat. There's a chunk of lead there. And this is a fired 3-ringer. My best fired one I found because it's the way it's mushroomed out. You see the 3 rings on it. But man, that sucker is big, big, big. That's an awesome find there. found this 3-ringer. Now this 3-ringer it's a lot different from that 3-ringer. Smaller caliber. It's really shaped differently. Oh, wait a minute now. Two. Oh, that may just be 2 rings on that one. And this one definitely has 3 rings. So anyway, I found a nice handful of round balls. I always like finding those. I found this rivet. Cool looking rivet. Who knows what that came off of. Oops. This piece of lead here, I don't know, it's kind of flat, like it might have come off the back of a buckle. Possibly. And maybe not. Who knows. This thing here is kind of triangle shaped. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I thought this was silver. Back of a watch. Found some smaller pieces of lead, some bucking balls, some scrap lead. Found some modern bullets. Now that right there, it's probably the littlest bullet I've ever seen. That is a little bullet. Little bitty thing. And this may be a percussion cap or the end of a bullet, I'm not sure. This some copper off a bullet, a modern bullet. I did find a coin which wound up being a old crusty Lincoln. But my best find today was this half of a US buckle, or CS possibly, I don't know. It's got an X right there, I don't know why that's on there. It's got the hooks on the back, or 1.5 hooks, and some of the lead is still on it. So that's an awesome find. It'd been nice to find the whole thing, but I did try, I couldn't find it. That S seems to be shaped a little different than the S on the box plate I found last year. Comparing this to the box plate, here's the box plate I found last year. See the S. It's shaped a little differently on the bottom right there. That one kind of comes up. And that one's slanted, so I don't know. I don't know why that would be different. But anyway, that's my little roundup. Had a great day. Mississippi treasure hunter. Picked a spot, picked an awesome spot. We're just trying a new area we haven't hit yet. And he made some cool finds too. So check out and subscribe to Mississippi Treasure Hunter when you can. He's got some awesome videos. I appreciate y'all subscribing to me, BB Southern Safari. We got a lot more digs coming up. Oh, this little cluster of lead right here, pieces. Thought it was kind of weird. They're all stuck together. But anyway, Once again, thanks for watching. More to come. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Till then, take care. Happy digging. Happy hunting. I'll see y'all later. BB Southern Safari out.